Hey, Tom.
Hey, what's up? What's up, Tal? What are you doing, little man? Why are you doing women's work?
What do you want?
What? I can't just come and talk to my little cousin?
He doesn't want to talk to you.
Well, I'm here, right?
Hey, Spider, who that?
What's up?
Spider? Is that what he just called you? Fong?
Spider!
And is something wrong with Spider?
What are you doing here?
Hey, so how old are you anyway?
Mentally, I'm way too old for you.
What?
You guys are stupid. I'm going inside.
What?
Sue! Help your little bro do this gardening.
Quiet, stupid.
Hey, you gonna roll with us, man? Come on.
Dude,
Come on, ride with us. Come on.
come on, chill with us. You need somebody to protect you, man. That's what your big cousin is for.
Look, dog, I've been there, done it, and I seen it, man. Back in the day, everybody used to want to beat me up, dude. But now, look, nobody want to fuck with me. Come on, man, let's go.
We're cuz, right?
Come on.
We're cuz, right? We're family.
Look, a brother to Spider is a brother to me. Come on.
Dude, man, take this shit off, man. Come on.
Come on, roll with us, man. Come on. We're just gonna have
It's
some
a
fun.
woman's
Come on.
work, man.
Don't get your hands dirty, man.
So what do I have to do? Spider told me our boy next door got a badass web.
Palmika.
Come on.
Nice. Yeah, my little cousin being a little man.
Whoa. Yo, now that's a nice car.
Hell yeah. 1972 Gran Torino. Fastback.
Yo, Cobra Jet engine. Yo, man, it's still in mint condition.
Yo, man, it's in mint.